Ayan guys, good morning. Dito tayo ngayon sa urban ng Taguig. Ayan guys, talim na ayan. Ano ba yan? Broccoli yan guys, broccoli. Kangkong, may mustasa, guys. May carrots pa guys, may imported na kangkong. Ayun yung carrots yun. Ayan, may kalamansi guys. Kalamansi. Ayan, talong, okra, Taguig Urban Farm. Ayan. Yung talbos, yung kamote guys. Oh, ang ganda rin talbos ng kamote oh. Tas yung carrots, carrots guys oh. Ganda ng guys. Yeah. May kamyas. Good morning guys, thank you for watching. May pizza pa. May talong guys, na harvest na, konti na lang bunga. May okra. Guys, thank you for watching. Bye bye.